Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and bring you the latest news from the world of astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join us today. We've got an exciting show lined up for you, so grab a cup of your favorite space-themed coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the cosmos. Today, we're talking about NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, which is set to launch in 2027. This incredible instrument will conduct a galactic plane survey, mapping around 20 billion stars in our home galaxy, the Milky Way. But that's not all. It will also provide unprecedented insights into the interstellar medium, the material that fills the space between stars and plays a crucial role in star formation. Imagine being able to see the Milky Way in stunning detail, with its spiral arms and central stellar bar revealed like never before. The Roman Space Telescope will make this possible, and scientists are eagerly anticipating the wealth of data it will provide. From understanding the life cycles of stars to unraveling the mysteries of galaxy evolution, this mission promises to be a game-changer for astronomers. But what's really cool about this mission is that it will allow us to study the interstellar medium in 3D, which will give us a much better understanding of how our galaxy works. We'll be able to see how dust and gas are distributed throughout the Milky Way and how they interact with stars and other celestial objects. It's like having a cosmic map that shows us the hidden structures of our galaxy. The Roman Space Telescope is managed by NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, with participation from several other research institutions and industrial partners. The team is working hard to get the telescope ready for launch, and we can't wait to see the amazing discoveries it will make. So, stay tuned for more updates on this exciting mission and get ready to explore the wonders of the universe with us. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we explore the vast expanse of space and its many wonders, we're also keeping an eye on the evolving landscape of space exploration and development. Today, we're looking at a fascinating story that's making waves in the space community. A new report sponsored by the Commercial Space Federation is sounding the alarm about China's rapid progress in space technology and exploration. This report, titled Red Shift, paints a sobering picture of China's advancements in areas like launch capabilities, satellite manufacturing, and lunar and Mars exploration. The Chinese government's decision to allow private companies to license government technology and invest in civilian space infrastructure has sparked a surge in growth, with annual investment in commercial space activity increasing from $164 million in 2016 to $2.86 billion last year. But what does this mean for the United States and its position as a leader in space exploration? According to Dave Cavosa, president of the Commercial Spaceflight Federation, the U.S. is still ahead today, but China is advancing very quickly and poised to overtake us in the next 5 to 10 years if we don't do something. The report highlights several key areas where China is making significant strides, including the development of regional hubs for space research and development, and the expansion of its space station program. Now, you might be wondering what this means for the future of space exploration and development. Will China's rapid progress spark a new era of cooperation and innovation, or will it lead to increased competition and tension? As we look to the stars and consider the vast possibilities that await us, it's clear that the next few years will be crucial in determining the trajectory of space exploration. The report's authors argue that the U.S. needs to lean into its strengths, particularly the commercial space sector, to maintain an advantage over China. This includes streamlining launch licensing and regulation, as well as investing in new technologies and infrastructure. But it's not just about government policy. It's also about the innovative spirit and entrepreneurial drive of private companies like SpaceX, which are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: the space race is heating up, and the stakes are higher than ever. Will the U.S. be able to maintain its position as a leader in space exploration, or will China's rapid progress change the game? We'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it develops. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the night sky. You know, there's something special about being able to navigate the stars with just a little bit of knowledge and a clear view of the horizon. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about now. You see, one of the most recognizable constellations in the sky is Orion the Hunter. Its 3 bright stars that form the belt are easy to spot, and they hold a secret that can help you find another incredible star, Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. That's right, by drawing an imaginary line through Orion's belt and extending it towards the horizon, you'll find Sirius shining brightly. This trick is not only useful for finding Sirius, but also serves as a reminder of the dynamic nature of our celestial neighborhood. As the Earth rotates and orbits the Sun, constellations like Orion and stars like Sirius appear to shift in the sky, presenting us with different views throughout the year. In September, for instance, you can catch both Orion and Sirius in the eastern part of the sky before dawn, making for a spectacular prelude to the day. But here's a fun fact: sometimes bright planets like Venus and Jupiter can outshine even Sirius, making it a bit tricky to identify. That's where Orion comes into play again. Regardless of the time of year or the presence of other celestial bodies, Orion's belt will always point to Sirius. It's like having your own personal navigational aid in the sky. As we wrap up this segment of Star Chat, I encourage you all to take a moment one of these September mornings to step outside, look towards the east, and find Orion's belt pointing the way to Sirius. It's a simple yet profound connection to the universe that surrounds us, reminding us of our place within the grand scheme of things. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.